All right, got this Honda Civic. For right now, we're just gonna be wrapping the hood in a carbon fiber. Got it last minute to get ready for a car show, last car show of the season. Excuse my mess around. I didn't clean up after the last wrap. Alright, so all we're dealing with right now is the hood up here. Just note there's some damage over here, little dents or whatnot, little chips in the paint. No big deal. He knows about some of the issues. There's a dent right there. But I'm going to record the time-lapse of me wrapping this and enjoy the process. This is Eazy Out. Eazy Out. This is EZTwraps, and I'm out. Enjoy. Alright, you can see it for the first time here. It's all done. Open the garage. good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that probably was real good.
Yeah. Look, changed it a little bit.
Yeah.
Just a little reaction.
Yeah.
But
I
you
guess
know what you expected or what?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
I'm stoked,
I'm
dude.
glad I was able to find it today for you.
Yeah, dude, for real. Like, you were the plug on that.
I was trying, I was calling everywhere.
You don't take it no time at all, does it?
It takes a little bit of time, a little finessing and stuff, but it's just the hood, you know?
Yeah.
Luckily,
That texture, too.
luckily this hood played nice with me. I had my buddy's car that I had a Super on. Ooh, I was like, the worst looks good. Anyway, I still have to mess with it, fix it a little bit.
Oh, my buddy.
Yeah. Probably my best work yet.
Yeah, dude, that looks way good.
Like the edges I got real good on here.
Yeah, dude, I see. Like, I would have figured you would have struggled a little bit with this, like, you know, like the molding kind of being a rub against it.
Yeah, like pop it real quick. So I have it going pretty good right there. It's pretty seamless. There's some spots.
It's a little harder than others.
Yeah, some spots I got a little jagged, but for the most part, it's like almost perfect cut on there. So
Yeah, like I could barely even tell.
Yeah, dude, you can barely even see it.
Yeah, like I can't tell what's like. That's pretty good, dude. To be honest.
yeah, so you can keep the hood open and it doesn't look all roughed
Yeah,
up underneath, you know?
Like knowing if I would have tried to do it myself, like that's probably how it would have looked. Fucking, probably not even a cut. Like
they get jaggedy and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I've had it on mine too. So I've had my share
dude,
of bad cuts.
I'm definitely coming to you. So I need to get a new one of these. I don't know what the fuck happened, but I'm definitely gonna get a new one of these.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna have, you know, some trim fucking.
I can't wrap this.
Oh, you can't.
No, not this material.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
If
like it leaks oil. Like not like where you see oil, but it leaks air and oil, and then it'll make the material bubble up.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Yeah. But yeah, this piece doesn't look too bad with the hood.
Yeah. Yeah, no, dude, that looks sick.
Yeah, so then we shut it. We got the
Dude,
full
that's
hood.
sick.
Up.
Dude, that's sick.
Perfect.
Hold on. Fact. Is the car on? Or like?
No, I haven't even touched the car. Just however, it's right here.